Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to increase gesture sensitivity on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app of your Samsung phone. On the settings, you want to scroll down and then click on display. Under display, scroll down, locate and click on navigation bar. Now make sure you set this to swipe gestures if you have your navigation bar set to buttons. So select swipe gestures and then click on more options. Make sure your gesture sensitivity is set from lower to higher so that when you swipe gestures, this is going to increase the swipe gestures sensitivity. And that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.